Three quick methods to make this column. This column is represented by 6 planar objects, 2 of which are in the same plane. The simplest and easiest method, perhaps, is just to go to a top view, choose your square, and put up a base square and duplicate it. Put up a larger one and duplicate it. Then a smaller one and duplicate that one. This represents the 6 squares involved. Now select all the squares and go to multiple extrude. You can put any dimension in there because we're going to modify it. Convert it to a mesh. Now it's by simply using the arrow key you can select a point and move it. But if you select all of them in an absolute view, you can drag all of the points to where you would like them. And by doing this, you can simply shape your column more or less by hand. These points can also be scaled. The second method that I would use is probably the simplest. I would take these planar objects and I would convert them to NURBS. Initially they'll be grouped, ungroup them. Try to get them where you can see them all, and then select Loft Surface. Pick off each surface. You have to pick the inside one carefully. Hit the Shift key, make sure that ruled is on, and there's a shape. If you are not familiar with NURBS surfaces, this third method is probably a very good method also. I'm picking off the shape, but you would just simply create the shape you want in a profile. And I'm just deleting the pattern I used to copy it. And now do a sweep. But change your settings to 90 degrees. This will create 4 sides. Now it looks funny because the Phong shader is trying to smooth this, and it simply will never be able to do that. So you have options. You have to go to Convert, choose the one you want. I would probably go to Generic Solids, but then you'll have your shape.